Welcome to my channel and welcome to Mad Hatter Bags. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's the Mad Hatter with Mad Hatter Bags. Thank you so much for tuning in to watch my video today. I hope everybody's having a fabulous day. Y'all, today I'm going to show you the Coach Empire 40. Now, if you watched a couple of my videos ago, I did unbox the 48 from this line in the Love Leather. And I, of course, said I loved it and it was going to be the bag of all bags.
Sure, Jan.
But after having it for about a week or so, y'all, it was just not the bag for me. So I had to return it to Coach. And I will let you know why in just a little while. But I am going to unbox my new one in the size 40. And hopefully that bag is actually going to work out. So we will see. But I did want to share y'all the differences and why I returned that one to Coach. Now, y'all, after I returned my Coach Empire 48, it has been a fiasco trying to get it in the size 40. I'll tell you some more details about that in a minute. It's still ongoing. But before I do that, I do want to say thank you to all my current subscribers. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet and you love luxury and handbags as much as I do, please consider subscribing today by hitting that subscribe button and the bell notification so you know every time I have a new post. If you'd like to follow me on any of my other social media, y'all hop on over and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and my TikTok channel. I do a lot of fun stuff on my TikTok, and I post high quality images of a lot of the stuff that I review on my Instagram page, so definitely check that out. And for everything else Mad Hatter, don't forget to check out my Beacon links. You can find lots of great information there, shopping links and discounts as well, so definitely check that out. Great information there. And if everybody could just take a moment and stop and give me a thumbs up, a like on this video, it does help my channel to grow, and I appreciate y'all for doing that. Now, y'all, let me tell you a little bit about this drama with this bag. So the 48 just didn't work out, and I'm going to tell you some reasons why I didn't like the bag. I really thought, because, you know, I love a big bag, I thought this is going to be the bag of bags.
Is that what you guys said?
Yes, that's what I had said.
So, y'all, I'm a pretty big guy at 6'2", and the bag was just a little bit too big even for me. So if you're smaller, you might want to consider getting the 40 or just go and try the bag out and see how it fits on you. But like I said, after using it for a few days, it was just way too big for me and too bulky. I'll go over some other details of some things that I didn't really care for on the bag as well. There wasn't anything really major except for the size, and I love that Love Leather. I still love the look of it, and I love the charms and everything that came on it. So I went ahead to the Coach website, reordered it in the 40 size.
I got a complicated order!
And y'all, it was supposed to be delivered yesterday, and it's lost. FedEx has no idea where it is. Coach can't help me. So I talked to Coach Chat last night. They were no help. FedEx has been no help. FedEx just says that it's stuck in Jacksonville, Florida, where it shipped from. And that was supposed to be, I ordered it on the 11th. Today is the 15th. It's supposed to be here yesterday. Nobody knows where the bag is. So who knows? Maybe it'll come eventually. But I got fed up today and I said, you know what? Let me just check out Dillard's. Dillard's had one bag, so I went down to Dillard's, got the bag, and here it is behind me. So I'm going to open it up with y'all, and we're going to see the bag and see the details on it and open it together. It doesn't have a box or anything, but I'm going to unbox it with y'all from the dust bag. So it still has some of the wrapping and packaging inside of it. So let's get into it. Let's see how this Coach Empire 40 looks in this Love Leather, and we're going to see if it actually works out better than the 48 size for me. All right, y'all, so let's unwrap this little baby together. And he came in your Coach dust bag. They were very helpful at Dillard's. I really appreciate all of their help as well. Y'all know how I feel about a dust bag on this channel. It's just a damn dust bag when we throw those behind us. So here it is, y'all. She is really beautiful. I was concerned because I was trying to get them to give me one that was completely wrapped up with everything. But then I thought, you know what? I'm just going to throw all the paper and stuff away. I checked out this bag on the shelf and it looked perfect. They had just got it in a couple of days prior. So here it is in that beautiful Love Leather. And let me just do a 360 of it and we're going to go over some details. And I'm going to tell you a little bit why I exchanged it for the 40 and sent the 48 back. Because, like I said, just too bulky of a bag. So it has the feet on the bottom as well. And I just love this brandished leather look that they put on this bag. I just think it's beautiful and stunning the way it has that like patinaed edge to it and everything. The darker and the brown. And they say that each one of these bags is different. So I will say this one does have some different burnishing around the edges of it as far as I can tell. So, but that is a 360. It did come with some charms on it as well. The other bag had a little bit extra charms, a skull and everything on it, but I'll go over the charms with y'all in a minute on this one. These are really nice as well. And this one came with the bigger dark black dice on it. So there it is there, but I'll show those up close in a minute. But totally happy with the size of this one so far, and it's still a big bag, so hopefully it's gonna work out for me. So let me just tell you a little bit why I've sent the 48 back. So my problem with the 48 was it was just a little too bulky for me as far as carrying it over the shoulder. On my side, I felt like I had a huge just lump of a bag on my side. So that was one thing. But The main thing is I really love to put accessories on my bags, charms. Now this already has the charms. The skull on that one was super heavy, which was fine, but just with their charms on it, it was like making the front of the bag, this whole front panel, just droop over. The handle was constantly falling over, and so if you put anything else on it, any kind of other charms, chains, or anything like that, it's just going to be worse. So the whole front side of the bag just kept flopping over, and I didn't like that. I guess because it was so big, and this area, it just didn't have enough structure, and it was just too soft, and that top handle, that front handle, it would just completely flop over. So this one, I'm telling you, right now I can tell you it's going to be a lot more supportive, and it's not going to flip over from having a few charms and stuff on it. So I have ordered quite a few little things, accessories, chains, and stuff to go in this bag. I'm going to dress her up. Not everything has came in yet. I've got one accessory I'll show you in a minute that I did order that was special for me. I got from Etsy, and I'm going to put that on there for you. But let's go ahead and let's unpack this bag. It still has the Coach tags on it. Let's go on the inside here, and I'll show you some details of the bag, and we'll get everything on the inside out because it still has the packaging and the strap on the inside. So let's take that all out. All right, so here is the strap that comes with it, y'all. It comes with the dog style leash attachments, and it has that beautiful brown and black color to the leather. It has a keeper, and then it has your nice silver buckle there. And on one side, it does have the Coach logo insignia there on that side. So just beautiful leather. Okay, so that is the strap. This one seems a little shorter, probably because it's a little bit of a smaller bag, but I'll try it on and show you what it looks like on in this video as well. So, but it's still pretty long, and you can adjust it as well. It has several holes to adjust. So that is the strap here. All right, y'all, I was able to get all the stuffing out of the bag. So there is the inside of the 40. It does have your same pocket here. The pocket is still pretty big. I don't know that it's gonna fit my iPad down in it, but it's very big, and I'm gonna be able to put an organizer in here and be able to store pretty much everything I want to carry. Even my 15-inch laptop is still gonna fit in there. The 48 was really big, and honestly, it probably swallowed up my laptop if you saw my last video. So I'll show you some stuff that fits in this bag, and I'll show you how everything goes in there in a little bit, but that is the inside of it. It still has the little attachment piece there if you want to put like a keychain or something attached to it, or a pochette. So that is still in the bag, but the rest of it is just the interior, beautifully designed, and has just one big open pocket, and then your journey tag is on the pocket there as well. So there's the journey pocket there, journey tag. That is the inside of the 40, and it has the same zipper pull on the top there, and the zipper is nice. It's just not quite as big and bulky. So I'm liking the size of this one so much better already, and I probably should have researched a little bit better before I got the 48, but you know, you live and learn, you only live once, and this bag wasn't a cheap bag, so I wanted to be happy with it and get some use out of it for a long time. So I think I'm going to be happy with this size, but that is the outside of the bag and the inside of it. So I'm really happy with it. Still has a little squish to it, so I like this size. So we shall see how it goes, but let's go ahead. I'm going to show you some stuff that will fit in the bag, and I'm going to show you some mod shots of how it fits on me and how it looks now in the size 40. All right, y'all, so here is the bag up close. Let me show you the charms real quick that come on this. You do have this old style clochette that comes with it still in this beautiful black color, and then you have a really big black die there. Really cute, and it's shiny. And then you have the little Rexy charm on it still, so you still get that. And then you get the hang tag as well that says Coach on it. What else? Let's see. And then you get this other little piece on the end here of the Rexy thing. It's just like a little tab with some little rivets on it. So that's the charms that come on it, but it's a lot less heavy on this one. So I'm happy with that. Let's attach the strap here, and I'm going to show you how it looks on. Same thing on the side of the bag here. You have these two D-rings to attach your dog leash style attachment. So let's attach the strap and see how it looks on. There's one. And then the other one just goes on the other side here as well, on the other side. And you have your strap. So this is what it looks like with the strap on. Shoulder / crossbody strap. So it's still pretty long. Let's try it on and see how it looks over me. Now, this is what it looks like on a 6'2" person. So if you're smaller, it's gonna be, you know, hang down a little bit more. And y'all, this feels so much better already. That other bag, if you saw in the video, which I know I was really excited to get it and happy, but this just feels so much better. It's not quite as bulky. Y'all let me know what you think about the size of this bag with my body size. So I think I'm gonna like this one a lot better, and this is gonna be a keeper. So really happy with it, and it feels good over my crossbody, and then of course shoulder. There's the shoulder drop on it. Okay, so very, very happy with the size of this one so far. And let me show you some stuff that fits in it just so you can compare to the last video in that 48, because I put my laptop and my iPad and everything in there and it just kind of swallowed it up. There was still plenty of room in there, but I really don't need that much room. So let's go ahead. I'm going to show you what fits in this bag. All right, y'all, so here is the bag. Look how nice and beautiful it is. Let's see what fits inside it. I'm going to open the zipper pull here. Like I said, you have just one big open area in that pocket there. Very nice. It's got that leather lining and then your journey tag on the inside. It does have some buckles in here I didn't show you, and it has the Coach logos on the buckles on the adjustment straps there that cinch it together on the sides. So you do have those cinchers on the side on this. So really nice. And of course your strap has the logoing on it as well there. So you have your Coach logo on that as well around the little piece here. So I didn't show you that. I wanted to include that for you. Okay, so let's see what fits in this bag. Now the last time I just had my iPad and a few items, so I'm going to put my iPad down in there and let's see if it fits. Last time it fit in this pocket here. Let's see if this one will fit in this pocket. So yeah, so it is a lot smaller. Long ways it's not going to fit either, but I don't really need that. I can use the pocket for something else. Now it fits down in the inside of the bag easily, plenty of room. Okay, and then lastly, on the other one I did my laptop. It's just a 15-inch MacBook, the newest one, the M4. So let's see how it fits down in there. And of course it fits perfectly. You've got plenty of room in there and you'll be able to zip the bag up. So let's zip it. So yeah, so that fits in there perfect. And y'all, that's really all I need. I don't need anything bigger than that. It's heavy enough. The other bag was really heavy. This one is heavy with my stuff in it, but perfect for what I need for a work bag to carry stuff in. So you may want the bigger one, but I'm really happy with this size 40. All right, y'all, so that is the Coach Empire in the Love Leather in the size 40. I'm happy that I exchanged it from the 48 to the 40. I really think this is a really nice size bag too. And like I said, the front of it is not gonna be slouchy and flop over when you put a few bag charms on it, which I'm really happy about that. And it's honestly just the perfect size for me, so I think I'm gonna love this one as well. Let me show you the bag charm that I got from Etsy. This is a little, it's really like a Wicked inspired bag charm. So I love poppies because I love the movie Wicked. And of course I collect Wicked stuff. Here's my little Elphaba from the Funko Pop collection. She's so cute. And you know, this is just a little poppy. I have poppies all over my room. So from the Wizard of Oz or Wicked theme. But let me show you the charm that I got from this company. This was off Etsy. And the company is Black Wolf Designs. This is the card they sent with the charm. And it came in a little black box here. Let me open it up here for you, and I'm gonna show you the little poppy charm that I got. Isn't that cute? It's gonna add a little pop of color to the bag, and it also has my initial on it and a little tag there, C, and then it also has a little charm there that has my birthstone, which is July there, in the ruby red, which is perfect for the ruby slippers. So let's take it off, and I'm gonna put it on the bag and show you what it looks like. All right, so there's the little charm on there. I just think it's super cute. I added it to the little die charm, and it adds just a little pop of red there on the bag, so a little more color. I think that's really cute. I was hoping it would be a little bit bigger, but it's still cute on there, and it adds that little tiny pop of color. So I've got so many other bag charms and chains coming for this bag. I can't wait to dress it up, so I'm really happy and excited to do that. All right, y'all, so that's my review for today on this beautiful Coach Empire in the 40 size now. I think I'm really gonna be happy with this size. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you for watching the last one as well. I just wasn't happy with the 48. You might be, don't be discouraged. If you like a big bag, go ahead and try it out, but do try it on because you may think it's too big as well. But this is perfect for me, and I think I'm gonna love it as well for a long time. So thank you for watching my video, I appreciate that. I hope I answered enough questions about this Empire 40. So thanks for tuning in again. Like I said, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, y'all go ahead, hit that subscribe button before you leave. And y'all don't forget to give this video a like. I do appreciate y'all. And I'll see everybody on my next video review. Y'all have a good one. Bye.